Okay, my name is Derek. I am the #1 welder here at Auger Torque, even though some people probably say I'm #2.
This is beginning. We realize we're celebrating the modest life.
The favourite attachment here at the moment would have to be the hard rock auger. A lot of people in the company helped design it, including myself, and yeah, we've done a few different revisions on that to where we've got it now. So it's been good that we've been able to have a chance to actually test and try it quite a few times to get to where it is now. So very satisfied with that job. Faster delivery service and turnaround service too for our customers. This is basically what the company was built on originally in the first place, so I'd like to try and keep that part of the company going anyway when it comes to fast service, good price and a quick delivery. In my spare time I like to garden, believe it or not. Sound like a bit of a girl, don't I? But yeah, I enjoy gardening.